Hello, I know I said I wasn't going to order from Hubman and Chubgirl again, but I did, and I'll show you why, because this kit was very cute. I probably won't again, I know I keep saying that, but they do have some really lovely kits, but unfortunately I think they're going to be hit by the American tariffs, and so things will be even more expensive, and as I have to pay a lot more for shipping, because I'm in the UK, it probably will be too expensive. But anyway, first of all, I always get a pin because they do the cutest pins ever. It's called the Happy Shark limited edition enamel pin, and it goes with the kit. I didn't get the whole kit, I just got bits and pieces from the kit this time. So there you go, I hope you can see that. I think that's showing you. Nice happy pin. I do like their pins. So I got bits and pieces from two kits, not the whole kit for each of them, but just bits and pieces. So, well, first of all, that's their thank you card. So first of all, I'm going to show you, this is the smaller one I got. This is the perfect breakfast planner kit. So I don't know when this came out originally, but it's not a new kit. So this is about cat-shaped breakfast foods. We all need that. We know we need that. So those are the days of the weeks. Here's some pretty boxes, decorative boxes, and some dot lists, whatever you want to call them. Hope you can see all this. Functional boxes, larger functional boxes, bills due, thankful for, again dot lists. All their kit, these are the, I just get the planner kits. I do them for Hobonichi cousin and a different Hobonichi. Then we've got numbers and the weekends and to-do lists, some more weekdays. Okay, so that was the perfect breakfast, cat-shaped breakfast foods, because we never knew that we needed that, but we did apparently. Okay, and then this is this month's kit. I don't know whether this is, I think this must be for March. This is a Deep Blue Sea planner kit, and that's the one the pin came with. So I didn't get the whole kit, but again I've got the planner kit. So you got days of the week, you got some decorative boxes. Well, hello there, obviously. Functional boxes, some more functional boxes, and some washi tape. This is all, I should say, really good quality stickers. I mean, they are very good stickers. Some more functional boxes and some to-do lists, and you've got your numbers, weekends and things. I have to look at my other kits. I've never noticed them having days of the weeks there as well, because I always run shorter days of the weeks and numbers, because I have a Laurel Denise planner which I use for my everyday stuff. Then I have a Filofax Personal which I use for memory keeping, well, not memory keeping, a diary, a journal. So I always run out of numbers and days, so I ordered another set of numbers and days. So how many you got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Got about 6 weeks there, I think. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Oh no, you got 5 weeks. And then obviously a set of numbers up to 31, so that's nice. And then some picture stickers. And these again are really good quality, really thick stickers. I really like the quality of their stickers. All well cut, all comes really nicely. And then I got the sticker pack as well. So this is the optional add-on. And so you've got some clear stickers there, like little round stickers, and you've got one of the Hubman and Chubgirl, but the different sayings. You've got some kind of washi tape stickers. And you've got these, washi tape stickers, these square boxes. So that's nice. And then you've got a sheet of bubbles. I have to say, this is probably going to annoy me, because they're all individual stickers, all those bubbles. So that's probably going to annoy me, but useful nonetheless. Then these ones as well. And these are stickers. They look like postcards, but they're stickers. And then that sheet of nice big clear stickers. They're nice. And you could use the background as well, actually, probably. Then these ones look like washi tape ones. Yeah, washi tape stickers. So that was everything that I got. Thank you very much.